Are you madam? Yes, madam. You don't want to talk here. I'm not the talk. Please, I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon, my son. I'm a representative. I said, I'm not respectful. Madam, this is how can you call me a talk? How can you call me a talk? He's a public That's very wrong. Don't call her a talk anymore again. That's not very wrong. Very rude. Madam, you need to apologize. Come back to confirm for vote. Madam, don't call her. Madam, don't follow her. Madam, don't follow her.
Senator Remi Tinubu, the wife of former governor of Lagos State, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has come under fire for calling a woman, her fellow woman, a thug. The senator representing Lagos Central, Remi Tinubu, has come under heavy criticism for calling, as you have watched in the video, a woman a thug during the public hearing of the constitutional review on Wednesday, that's yesterday. According to the cable, the lawmaker was involved in a shouting match. She was involved in a shouting match, as you have watched in that video. Nigerians who attended the event at the Marriott Hotel in Lagos, criticized her for calling a woman a thug. This Remi Tinubu is leading the Senate Committee on Review of the 1999 Constitution in the Southwest. It was reported that the residents, they queued to register before they were allowed into the venue of the event in Lagos yesterday. However, when the governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, came in through the back door, the front door was shut and the registration closed. So those who were yet to register were said to have stayed in the queue, protesting their exclusion from the event. Some lawmakers from Oyo State, who also passed the queue and were about to be ushered into the program, were allegedly followed by some residents, causing commotion. Senator Remi Tinubu was said to have also shown up at the back door to allow the lawmakers in. That is, the country we are in, Nigeria. It's a law. Those in power, they are above the law. Those in power, they lost their sense of discipline. Those in power, they lost their sense of discipline. Sorry to say, they lost their sense of discipline. They lost their sense of orderliness. So, however, a woman who reportedly complained about being denied entry, this woman that Remi Tinubu called the talk, she complained that she was denied entry. And also she was said to have decried the partial treatment and voiced out her frustration. Senator Remi Tinubu, after beckoning on her and two others, reportedly called her a thug for speaking too loud. The remark was said to have caused altercation between Remi Tinubu and those who heard her. While expressing their reservation for the tag on the woman, the people demanded an apology from Senator Remi Tinubu. You could hear in the video where they were saying, apologize, but she said, I will not apologize for what I said. I saw it and I said it, she reportedly said. You have seen the video and you can watch it over and again. And the woman was, Madam Senator, don't call her a thug. You begged us to vote for you, a man at the scene said. Reacting to the video on Twitter, one round Eva Orun said, Remi Tinubu, the highly cantankerous woman, wishing to be Nigeria's first lady, called another woman a thug at the Southwest Constitutional Review hearing. So very unfortunate. I just wish that Nigerians would not submit to the government of Satan. Another Twitter user also said, Marvin Dark Whistler wrote, Igu say all this they happen. See the way she attempts to shut down anyone that opposes or challenges her. When contacted, an aide of the Senator Nifemi Aje asked to call our respondent back. She has yet to do so. So as of the time of filing this report, this woman has been controversial. Anything that has to do with her and other senators is either she attempts fighting or she attempts, she is characterless. She's mannerless. Here is a woman whose husband is gradually campaigning for 2023 presidency. That when they eventually win, probably they could be seeing all Nigerians as talk. What nonsense! Just because she complained that she was not allowed to enter, but the lawmakers who came in, who couldn't even stand in the queue, who couldn't wait at least, got in through the back door, whichever way they used to have their way to the registry. And now you are calling not even a man. This woman, is she not ashamed of herself? Remi Tinubu, this woman, is she not ashamed of herself? You are calling your fellow woman a talk just because you are, the wife of former governor, or just because you are the senator representing Lagos Central. It's shameful and disgraceful. A woman of her caliber, a woman of her type, a woman of who everyone is holding in high repute, have descended so low in calling her fellow woman a talk, and she continued to maintain her statement, maintain that she's not going to say something, that she said what she said. You could imagine that. Now here are people. This is a woman who, like the Twitter guy tweeted, that will soon become your first lady. I wouldn't want such people to be even in the position of be in the place of power, let alone becoming the first lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Well, I wouldn't know what this is not about politics. This has nothing to do with politics here, but this has to do with discipline and manner. How can a senator and probably the wife of the president to be call her fellow woman? Not even that she called a man, if her fellow woman. And looking at the woman dressed properly, not that she dressed indecently. She dressed decently. Just I'm supposing that that's a mother. Looking at the woman in the video, she's just like a mother to me. And the senator called her a talk. It's shameful. And we Nigerians should demand that Remi Tinubu should apologize to the woman. She has to apologize. It's not just about I said what I said. She has to apologize to the woman for calling her a talk. She cannot get away with this. It's so sad and disgraceful. Something has to be done. The leaders need to learn how to lead in obedience, learn to lead with discipline. They have to discipline themselves. So guys, what do you have to say? Should this woman, who in many cases have displayed a high level of characterized behavior, high level of indisciplined behavior, should she be in a position of power as she's having now, calling her fellow woman a dog? What is your comment? Please make it known through the comment section below. Thank you guys.